Fire-Boltt Blast over-ear Bluetooth wireless headphones come in a box like this. On one side of the box, there is a transparent film to give you a glimpse of the product inside. On the back side of the box, the features are mentioned in detail. So it says that these headphones have a battery life of up to 20 hours, a music and volume control multi-point button. It also has two cables in set, a DJ cable and another micro USB cable, and a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hertz. So the other side of the box also has all the features. So let's just open this box and look at the product inside. Okay, so this is the premium wireless Bluetooth headset. So you get a couple of subscription cards in the box, a user manual, then it has another booklet of Fire-Boltt products. This is the wire, so this is the aux. It has a 3.5 mm aux here, and this is the charging cable that you get with these headphones.